In this video, I'm going to go over this MadBite spinnerbait kit. Now what this is a pack of spinnerbaits here. I'm just going to show you everything that you get with them. I have it tied up right here. I've got it on the MGTI KastKing reel, and you can see how I have it rigged out right here. Here's the actual bait itself. Is that not a great presentation on that bait? And now I partnered it up with the 4-inch Lunker City. These are the little swimmers, these little fluke swimmers right here. This is my favorite trailer on a spinnerbait like this. You get these two spinners right here on top. This one is on a kind of like a little swivel right there, and that one just moves up and down, and then you can put the tail on it, but you can put crawl on it. You can see the skirt. It mimics, now this right here I think is the green shad color, and here's the kit itself. So you get 4 in here. Here's kind of like an orange and black with a gold right there. Once again, another one. That's the only one with silver. It's got, these are gold and these are gold and silver. So that's kind of like a combo, and both of these are both gold right here. They come in this nice little case right here. These are in 3/8. You can see how the presentation of how this thing looks right here. I'll throw up some video of this moving through the water and how it swims along, and the action of the blades on top, how you can see how this goes, and how the little fin swims, and how it just kind of like goes through the water there. And then I did some casting on it. It's pretty easy on the cast. The retrieval I do kind of slow and fast. I'll go back and forth on the retrieval of this thing. This is one of my favorite spinning baits that I have right now. I've been using these exclusively, so going forward this year I really look forward to using this a lot more amongst my fishing travels, that's for sure. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the MadBite spinnerbait kit. See you on the next video.